Simple Car Guy here, and today I'm installing these Wita Mats floor liners in my BMW X7. These claim to be a perfect fit for BMWs and many other vehicles as they are custom fitted specifically to a model, but are they any good? Well, let's check out the quality, get these installed, and see how they actually look inside my car. Now, you might be wondering, why would you replace your OEM floor mats if they are perfectly functioning? And in most cases, I would probably agree with you, but first of all, these are now waterproof and the winter is coming here in Chicago, so we will be seeing a lot of slush and snow and dirt and everything else. And since these are waterproof, they will provide a much better protection for those months, and that's exactly why I'm installing these. But there's also another reason, and that reason is that these are full coverage, so they will cover the sides of the car as well. So right here we also cover some parts under the seat, so the coverage of the vehicle is going to be a lot more so than with the OEM carpets. Of course, these are also a lot more customizable as you get to choose the material and stitching that you want when you order these. So I went with this black leather. Well, technically it's not leather, this is eco leather, so basically fake leather, but it feels really nice. It's very good quality, and the stitching is also very nicely done. As you can see, it's very uniform, so nothing's sticking out. It looks like it's been done professionally. I went with the beige stitching. You can also choose blue or red, and of course you can choose a different type of material as well. So yeah, that's another good reason to get these instead of just going with your OEM stuff. On the back here we have this very nice grippy material, so it will stick to the carpet in your vehicle. That way it doesn't move around when you are using it, so your feet are not going to be slipping on this, and this is not going to be slipping within the vehicle, so that's pretty nice. These little tabs underneath are used for attaching the floor mats to the vehicle, so basically you would twist them out just like this, and then this would stick under some trim pieces inside the vehicle that will then hold it in place, so it will be more accurately installed basically. And looking at it from the value perspective, these are about the same as rubber ones, and well, I think they look much better, and they should provide a much nicer experience inside the car, so it doesn't look like it's a work truck inside your vehicle, you know, with those rubber mats. Yeah, I'm really impressed with the quality so far. Let's get them installed and actually see how it looks inside the car. So here's the piece for the middle seats. There is a lot of intricate work here as well, so that's good to see. We have those clips that are going to help us secure it in place, just right there. So I'm just going to take the old one out. I don't want to rip anything out, so gently take those out, and we can put this one in. I'm just gonna push it in. It kind of falls into place, which is really nice to see. Just as easy on this side, obviously. I'm gonna take these out and then stick it under the plastic right there. That's what holds them in place. So these stick out, go underneath, and here as well. Just as simple to install. Help. So we have, once again, we have this clip that's going to go underneath here, and there's another one here. It's important to get those installed, that way it doesn't move around. Well, I would say that's some pretty great coverage. As you can see, it's covering basically everything you can imagine. So if somebody spills a drink or anything like that, easy to clean. These clips are doing a pretty good job so far. They are holding it in. It's hard to, like, you can't remove it easily. You have to like undo the clips. So there's one right there. Lower it just a little bit. Perfect. Couple right here. There's one holding it right there. It also goes under the seat, and it basically comes out on this side, so we can just go underneath and use our little thing. Perfect. Now it feels almost too big on the driver's side here. That's because it covers so much. Here in the back, I feel like we're gonna make one of the bigger differences, since the OEM floor mat doesn't really cover a lot, and there is a lot of stuff here that's exposed. So we have some plastics, we have a bunch of carpet, so I think removing this one and putting the new one in will actually make a pretty nice difference. So let's get it done. We can already see a huge difference in coverage. That's pretty awesome. And there's even this thing that goes between the seats that's normally not covered by anything, so that's Very impressive. And look at that, it fits so well. It goes around all of these plastic pieces, the anchors for the child seats and stuff, covers this plastic part right here. Like I said, does not cover the vents, so we still get the cooling in the third row seats. Yeah, so the tab goes under this trim piece, and I'll show that to you up close. Here's the old one for comparison, so you know exactly what I'm talking about. That's how much it covered before, and that's how much we're covering now. Now that they are fully installed, what do we think? Does this make the car look better, or is it over the top? I'm still on the fence here, as I really like the quality and the coverage, but this is a little ostentatious. I know the styling of these will be controversial, so I'd love to hear your opinion on this look. The company definitely delivers on what they promise with the quality, fit, and finish, and it is a good value. I've had these in my car for over a week now, and I think I'll be keeping them over winter to see how much I like it. At the very least, I will be keeping the rear covered to preserve the carpets. Whether you prefer the OEM look or the rubber mats look or these Wita Mats, I'd love to hear what you have to say and if you'd install these in your car. So leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!